Good day, flight and space friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I'm back with another crazy awesome lesson. We have got Google Earth Pro installed, and it's got a built-in flight simulator. So, my friends, let's get cracking. Of course, start by double-clicking the Google Earth Pro icon. When Google Earth launches, it'll do a cool little animation, and then I'll show you how to get to the flight simulator. But as that all starts, I want to remind you one big thing. I'm going to show you how to use the keys gently. This whole thing works on using it gently. It's got the little tips button. You can shut that off or leave it on. I don't care. But let's get to this screen and go full screen, and I'll show you how it works. Before we fly, we need to talk about your controls, which I'm going to show you with this little image right here. The first one I'm going to cover is pitch, which is going to be the up and down arrows on the keyboard. Remember, you tap these once or twice. Do not hold them down. The next I'm going to cover is the ailerons, and they are the arrows left and right, and they affect roll on your plane. Once again, tap them, don't hold them. Now let's cover yaw, which is the rudder, and you do that by using shift and then those same arrow keys. The thrust or engine power is page up and page down. The flaps are the bracket keys. A fantastic key to get your rudder and aileron centered in one step is the 5 on the number pad. If you don't remember the attitudes of flight with pitch, roll, and yaw, check back to this YouTube channel and the sweet lesson where we took this jet right here and showed pitch, yaw, and roll to make sure that you're good to go. Alright friends, I have mastered my pitch, roll, and yaw, so I am going to just get into the flight simulator. I want you to type your zip code up in the box and press enter, and it will do its automatic fly-in to get to where you live. Once you get to this spot, make sure you roll in so you're closer to the ground. And then at that point, you can hit Tool and then choose Enter Flight Simulator. I want you to choose the SR-22 for your first flight. Later, you can experiment with the other, but I want us all in the prop plane for starting out. And when you click Start Flight, you will be at that height. All right, friends, I paused quick, and let's check out what these mean on your screen. First, we have the flaps. Use those bracket keys to get that to 0. Next, we have the altitude. On the left side is your airspeed indicator. At the very top, you'll find your compass heading. This arc shows you your roll or your bank. And this is how you can tell the pitch of your aircraft. Down in this corner, we have a visual representation of your ailerons and your rudder. On this side, you have your elevator. And over here, you can see where your throttle is set. And you can just use the up and down arrows to get your plane flying nice and level. Do not touch any other arrows at this time, just get to about 3,000, 4,000 feet and fly straight and level. When you look over here, you can see right now I'm below 0, so the plane is actually going down. That is showing you your pitch. Over on this one, I'm going to do shift arrow keys to turn my rudder. To make my plane turn. That one tap keeps the rudder turned, so I keep spinning to the left. If you forgot shift, your plane will roll as I'm turning. If I hit 5, it goes back to center, and my plane starts to move to the center. If you lose control of your plane and crash, which I'm going to do intentionally right now, it is not a problem. It simply comes back and says, do you want to resume your flight? And you can do that. When I resume flight, I'm at 5,000 feet, which is nice. And make sure next time you pay attention to your flaps. I forgot to shut off my flaps. They were at 20%, and if I'd have done left flap, the flaps would not have been reducing my speed. So your job right now is to simply fly and experiment and see if you can master using keyboard controls as you fly around your home area. Alright friends, so that is an introductory lesson. It gets you the keys, it gets you a chance to master pitch, roll, and yaw, and have a lot of fun at the exact same time. Friends, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.